OEM Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of iPhone battery for many years. There are 2,000 square meters, more than 100 employees, and 5 fully automatic production lines. We carry out a range of strict procedures during both raw materials and manufactured goods tested by advanced machines and equipment. We produce battery are brand new and original, which have fully anti-static protection package. Also have passed CE and ROHS, UN 38.3, MSDS certification. The identification for marine and air transport. Large growth has formed mainly from our repeat customers that are from all over the world. Shenzhen OEM Technology Company Limited has always been the base in China, orient to the world, and aim at the future as a concept. We produce every product with strict and rigorous attitude, and it is our mission to bring safe, environmentally friendly, stable, and reliable products to every customer in the world. At the same time, we focus on social responsibility and the creation of social values, caring for employees and suppliers to make partners and the corporation growing together, and also enthusiastic social charity